This AI video tool feels like magic, and I think it's gonna blow your mind. What this does is you enter a simple text prompt and it converts that into an amazing video. Just look at some of these examples. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, the tool is called Runway, and here's the URL, Runway ML, and it's a platform. There's so many AI tools. You can generate videos from simple text, images, and also video clips. You can also generate images. You can also slow-mo of any video. So there are a lot of tools, AI tools, that you can use on this platform. Now let me log in and show you the magic. So here is my account. You can create your account for free, and a lot of these tools you can use for free, absolutely free. What you want to do is, here are popular AI magic tools. Here are different tools. The tool that I want to show you in this video is this one, G2, Gen 2 text to video. You can remove backgrounds. You can generate different avatars. You can convert image to image. You can generate images from text. So you can see a lot of different AI tools. So let's play with this text to video AI tool. Generate videos from simple text prompt. Here's your magic box. This is where you are gonna enter your simple prompt. So let's say I want a palm tree on a tropical beach. Let's say that's a text prompt I want to use. You can change the seed value. You can upscale or remove watermark if you want. You can add images, like a reference image if you want. I'm not going to use it right now, but once you enter your text prompt, just click on this magic button, generate, and then give it a few seconds. It will create a video, and it's actually pretty fast. All right, here we go. Look at this video. So let me play this. Oh my God, look at this. Look at the quality of this video. This is just amazing. You can rate this generation to help the Runway team to improve their platform. You can download this video by clicking here and then use it on your social media platforms. If you want to do another, you can add more elements to it, additional text to your prompt, and then do another generation. Let me go back and show you something else too. So this is where we entered the text prompt. If you scroll down, you can use all of these examples as inspiration. So here are different videos that were created with the Gen 2 Runway platform. So let's say for some reason you want to use this, I can click here and then it just copies the prompt for me. So you can remix these too. So you can enter a prompt from on your own, a text prompt, or you can use one of the existing examples to create your own video, and everything is saved. You can download it to your computer and then use it. So very simple and freemium tool, so that yes, if you like it and you want to upgrade, you can always do that, but you can create basic videos from text to videos using AI for absolutely free using this platform. Any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share this video so more people can see this. And now let's watch more AI tools together in this next video.